Hey guys, it's Movie Hoarder here, back for another horror and vampire Blu-ray unboxing. But for this video, it's on the movie franchise that old girls love. It's Twilight Saga Blu-ray 5-movie collection. It has Twilight, the Twilight Saga New Moon, Twilight Saga Eclipse, Twilight Saga Breaking Dawn Part 1 and Part 2. Got this at Walmart. Well, as you can see, there's a Walmart tag. Right, on the cover you have Bella, Edward, and Jacob. And then there's the back. So, yeah, I know all you ladies like these films, so I thought I would unbox it for you. And I know there's like other box sets of it. Like there's a triple pack that has Twilight through like Eclipse, and then there's the bigger box set that has multiple discs, which I want. Too much money. Yeah, but I like Bella. Yes, I do. I do for sure. Wrapper. Yes, sticky there. Alright, so now the wrapper's off. It says, experience the immortal story of Bella, Edward, and Jacob in this complete collection that includes all 5 films. It's pretty cute. So you ladies, what team are you guys on? I'm Team Bella and Edward. But I know most of you are gonna say Team Jacob. But yeah. Ooh. Look. Okay. Okay, so here's the discs. So Twilight. Disc 1 is Twilight, and it has that like, what color would that be?
It's like a grayish blue or something.
Yeah, grayish bluish.
Gray in the camera.
Yeah, it's kind of like grayish bluish color. They're doing the color themes for the movies for each disc. Then disc 2 is New Moon, which is brown. Then Eclipse is red.
It's like a maroon.
Like a maroon. And then it says movie and special features disc. All these better have special features. Because if they don't, I'm going to be pissed. Alright, moving on. And then disc 1. Disc 4 is Twilight Saga Breaking Dawn Part 1 and extended edition theatrical version also included. So it includes the extended and theatrical version of the film. And then disc 5 is obviously Twilight Saga Breaking Dawn Part 2. But hopefully each film has special features.
Did you look at the back?
You
didn't even show the case, dude.
What case?
Unwrapped. Like the movie.
Oh, here. Oh, my bad. Sorry, folks. Here's the case with the shrink wrap off. Very nice. Then here's the back. and then spine. Well, unfortunately it says Eclipse disc that Eclipse has special features, but hopefully all the movies do, because that's what I like to check out. But yeah, well, this was just kind of just a quick unboxing of the Twilight Saga 5-movie collection on Blu-ray. They also have it on DVD. But yeah, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. So that's everything. And also leave a comment section below letting me know what's your favorite Twilight Saga character, Twilight Saga film, and which team you are on. Thank you.